Bonjour baddies, welcome back to another video. It's problem number 20 of the 2022 AMC8. The grid below is to be filled with integers in such a way that the sum of the numbers in each row and the sum of the numbers in each column are the same. 4 numbers are missing. The number x in the lower left corner is larger than the other 3 missing numbers. What is the smallest possible value of x? Okay, so first we need to find out what the value of each column in each row is. So basically, if we have 5, -1, and 8, if we add them up all together, we end up getting 12. Therefore, each row and each column both have to be equivalent to 12. And I don't know why I highlighted column when I said row and then row when I said column, but it's fine. So, you guys catch my drift because they're both equal anyway. So, if we want the smallest possible value of x, and x has to be greater than all the other numbers, that means that let's just look at this row because it's like a row very, very associated with x. Let's just look at this row. That means that these 2 numbers that we don't know yet added up have to be equivalent to 13. But if we want x to be bigger than both of the numbers, yet also be the smallest x can be, these 2 numbers have to be 6 and 7 because that's the middle numbers of 13. And you guys might ask, well, why? Because if we put like -10 here, and then it would have an outrageously large number here, which would be like 23, so x would have to be greater than 23. And it works for the other ways too, so we have to find the middlest number as possible, which is basically 6 and 7. Now the only problem we have is it 6 or 7, or 7 or 6? So let's try 7 or 6 first. If we had 7 and 6 here, that means that -2 plus 7, so that's 5. So that's x plus 5, so x also has to be equivalent to 7. But now we run into a problem. Even though the 8, the 9, 6, and the last number would work technically, x can't be 7 because 7 is equivalent to 7, and the problem never stated that x could also be equivalent to one of the numbers. Therefore, the only way we can put it is 6 and 7. So if you add that, x has to be equivalent to 8, which works. And let's try this one last row. So 9 plus 7. That is equivalent to 16, 16 minus 4. Therefore, 8 plus 8, that is 16, and minus 4, that's 12. So that's correct. Therefore, the smallest possible value of x in this case is D8. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye-bye!